Djadumingo, 31 de maio, durante a celebração do 90 aniversário de promé buelo de KLM para Boneiru, direktor de Bonaire International Airport BIA, Giordano Molina, hiba diskurso kaminda enfatisá a importância do aeropuerto para a komunidat. Giordano Molina a destacar que o Flamingo Airport significa hope mais que simplesmente uma infraestrutura econômica para a isla.
May 9th and May 31st, 1936 marked the start of a new chapter in Bonaire's history, with KLM connecting Bonaire to the world. For the first time, a new era began. Over the past 90 years, aviation has become more than transportation or infrastructure. It has become part of who we are. While its contribution to our economy and development is undeniable, its true impact can be found in the lives and story of our people. For generations, Flamingo Airport has been at the center of it all, the place where Bonaire meets the world and where some of the life's most meaningful moments unfold. It is the first welcome extended to our visitors. But for the people of Bonaire, it is much more than a gateway. It is a place of hope, sacrifice, and belonging. It is where families say goodbye to sons and daughters, leaving to pursue their education abroad, carrying with them the dreams and hopes of those they leave behind. It is where, in certain circumstances, expected mothers depart and return with new life in their hands, new life in their arms, introducing their newborns to the island they will always call home. It is where we send loved ones abroad in search of healing, hope for their safe return. And above all, it is where distance disappears, where families reunite, embraces replace distance, and the bonds that connect us as a people are renewed. The magic that has happened at Flamingo Airport has shaped generations and inspired many island children to believe that one day I too can be part of aviation. And today we recognize those who make it all possible, the employees in aviation on Bonaire. Their dedication and professionalism keep our island connected to the world every single day. But we also look beyond our shores to those who carry Bonaire into the skies of the world, and that is our pilots. Today, we proudly recognize all Bonairean pilots. While not all of them are with us this evening, each one has contributed to the legacy of aviation on our island. They carry our island spirit with them and inspire future generations to dream beyond the horizon. In total, there was a list of 38, so there's a lot of pilots from the island. But tonight we only have around 13 of them.
Durante su speech, Heber John Soliano a comemorar a fecha histórica de 91 e 31 de maio de 1936. É momento que a conexão entre KLM e Boneiru a começar e a cambia a história da isla para sempre. Ela dá tributo especial da importância de aviação, mais allá de simplesmente infraestrutura ou economia.
Para mim é grande prazer para me portopa e para junto com o bolso AWE para reconhecer momento especial para Boneiru. Momento que não trata somente de aviação, mas especialmente de conexão. Conexão de gente, de família, de oportunidades e de desenvolvimento. A noite nós estamos celebrando 90 anos de aviação na Boneiru e também 90 anos de conexão de KLM entre Boneiru e Amsterdam. Voor de juventude, mi Atlanta tem a história de promé buelo de KLM na Boneiru. E tempo aí, nosso aeropuerto Flamingo não estava existindo ainda. Toch, é pioneiro de tempo é essa de improvisar uma pista e fazer aterrissagem aqui possível. E assim também pone a fundação de nossa aviação internacional na Boneiru. Hasta me atende de praticar com hora água cai, estava de correr com truck riba e pista, riba e veld, para ver se ele pega de lodo se não. Se o truck não pega de lodo, o avião por abaixo. A noite nós para quieto mais que somente aniversário impressionante. Nós para quieto na história de isla durante décadas a queda conectada com o resto do mundo. Conexão que te reúne gente, sostener estudantes a fazer turismo possível e fortalecer nossa economia. A ruta entre Boneiru e Amsterdam sempre estava de grande importância para nossa isla. De maneira me indicar, é mais que somente buelo. É brug entre Caribe e Europa. Provavelmente não está ainda está of the corda que no passado Boneiru estava um hub importante da aviação internacional que conexionan entre Europa e Sul-América. Isso aqui mostra que nossa isla já estava a ter papel importante da conectividade internacional. Depois de cambio no reino, a importância de boa conectividade havia mais grande. Para Boneiru, a aviação não é luxo, sino uma necessidade.
Elisier Ángel, direktor de TCB, avisa que a conectividade queda de pilana de mais importante de uma economia turística, resiliente e sustentável. A celebração de 90 anos de aviação na Boneiru destaca a importância de hope tempo largo de laço de colaboração que conecta nos islas com o mercado importante e no mesmo momento sostener desenvolvimento econômico e experiência de visitante.
It is with great honor that I stand here tonight as we celebrate an extraordinary milestone. 90 years of aviation connectivity between Amsterdam and Bonaire, 9 years of KLM. Very recently, my family also celebrated my Oma's 90th birthday. Can you imagine? KLM first landed on our beautiful island the same year she was born. Legendary. And we have the privilege to witness it all. As a proud Bonaireano who started her career in tourism at a very small age, 12 years old, the most important economic pillar, it's very meaningful for me to stand here tonight and celebrate this airline connection that has shaped the lives of so many people on our island, including mine. Again, I refer to my Oma recent birthday celebration as it made very clear to me that 90 years is more than just a number. It represents generations of people, countless of journeys, efforts, and shared history that has permanently carved us all. And in tonight's case, carved our island into a beautiful gem that we are. Think about it. Aviation and airline connectivity is more than just doing and facilitating business. It's deeply personal. It is the bridge that allowed families to stay close despite the 1,000 miles of ocean between them. It is the flight that carried our students away to pursue their dreams abroad and safely brought them back home. It sparked cultural exchanges, and for many visitors, it is literally the first step in discovering the beauty, warmth, and authenticity of our home, Bonaire. Throughout these 9 decades, KLM has been much more than just an airline. It has been the bridge connecting people, culture, and communities, connecting us. As Tourism Corporation Bonaire, we recognize the fundamental truth: connectivity is the foundation of a successful destination, and strong and reliable air connection is not just a luxury. They are absolutely essential for our economic development, our quality of life, and our future prosperity. Bonaire's tourism industry supports thousands of local businesses and jobs. It creates opportunities for our local entrepreneurs, artists, guides, hospitality professionals, and many more. Tonight is a powerful opportunity to reflect together on how far we have come. However, as we look forward towards the future, we also share a collective responsibility. We must ensure that tourism and connectivity continue to benefit our local community first, protect our fragile natural environment, and preserve the unique culture that makes Bonaire so special. tourism should always serve as a stepping stone for the development and well-being of all Bonaireanos.